Hi friends, this is a Dr. Seuss book called Green Eggs and Ham. Kind of gets your tongue twisted sometimes when you read it. So I'm going to read it kind of slow. If I can, sometimes I get excited and I speed up my talking. Let's see how well I do. I am Sam. I am Sam. That Sam I am, that Sam I am. I do not like that Sam I am. Do you like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam I am. I do not like green eggs and ham. Do you think he's tried them? Would you like them here or there? I would not like them here or there. I would not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Would you like them in a house? Would you like them with a mouse? I do not like them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Would you eat them in a box? Would you eat them with a fox? Not in a box, not with a fox, not in a house, not with a mouse. I would not eat them here or there. I would not eat them anywhere. I would not eat green eggs and ham. I do not like them. Sam I am. Sounds like he's getting a little angry. Would you, could you in a car? Eat them, here you are. I would not, could not in a car. You may like them, you will see. You may like them in a tree. I would not, could not in a tree, not in a car. You let me be. I do not like them in a box. I do not like them with the fox. I do not like them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them. Sam I am. A train, a train, a train? Could you, would you on a train? Not in a train, not in a tree, not in a car. Let me be. I would not, could not in a box. I could not, would not with the fox. I will not eat them with the mouse. I will not eat them in a house. I will not eat them here or there. I will not eat them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them. Sam I am. Ooh, he's getting even angrier. Say, in the dark, here in the dark, would you, could you in the dark? I would not, could not in the dark. Would you, could you in the rain? I would not, could not in the rain. Not in the dark, not on a train, not in a car, not in a tree. I do not like them, Sam, you see. Not in a house, not in a box, not with a mouse, not with a fox. I will not eat them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. You do not like green eggs and ham? I do not like them. Sam I am. Could you, would you with a goat? I would not, could not with a goat. Would you, could you on a boat? I could not, would not on a boat. I will not with a goat. I will not eat them in the rain. I will not eat them on a train. Not in the dark, not in a tree, not in a car. You let me be. I do not like them in a box. I do not like them with a fox. I will not eat them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. But has he tried them? I do not like them. Sam I am. But has he tried them? You do not like them, so you say. Try them, and you may. Try them, and you may, I say. Sam, if you will let me be, I will try them. You will see. He's looking at it. Should we try it? Hey, say, I like green eggs and ham. I do, I like them. Sam I am. I would eat them in a boat, and I would eat them with a goat. And I will eat them in the rain and in the dark and on a train and in a car and in a tree. They are so good, you see. So I will eat them in a box, and I will eat them with a fox, and I will eat them in a house, and I will eat them with a mouse, and I will eat them here and there. Say, I will eat them anywhere. So he tried them and he liked them. I do so like green eggs and ham. Thank you, Sam, I am. So a fun activity I have for you is some letters. The uppercase are green eggs. You do not have to eat these. That would be silly. It's A all the way through Z on the uppercase. And on ham, it's not real either. Lowercase. So you're going to find them. You can cut them out with an adult's help, and you're going to make a match. So this one would be the uppercase A and the lowercase a. The lowercase c, uppercase C, the lowercase c. Uppercase E, lowercase c. And you can mix them all up and have fun trying that. Another fun activity you can do is make scrambled eggs and make them green. How could you do that? There's two ways. You can have yellow eggs that you mix, and add the color blue. See what happens. Or you can use green food coloring and put that in there and see what happens. Give it a try. Bye, friends.